City of Grand Rapids is considering a change to its noise ordinance that would prevent some manners of free speech near healthcare facilities in town.
This follows years of complaints from residents and vehement defense by protesters who feel that their rights are being infringed. News 8's Duncan McLean spoke with the legal scholar today about the proposed language. He's live in studio.
Brian, Sue, the city has released its draft language that could be added to the existing noise ordinance, which would prohibit the use of amplified noise near healthcare facilities. We sat down today with Tracy Brame, Associate Dean of Experiential Learning and Practice Preparation and Professor at Cooley Law School, for her read on this new draft language. Up for consideration is the addition of the following article. No person shall operate any device creating amplified sound within 100 feet of a healthcare hospital or clinic. The distance is measured from the property line of the property upon which the healthcare, hospital, or clinic is located. So
my first reaction is that the city's attorney's office did exactly what they should do, which is to work within one of the exceptions, right, to the First Amendment, which is the time, place, and manner, right, restrictions.
Those long-standing exceptions allow governments to infringe on freedom of speech based on its time, place, or manner to protect people's right to peace and privacy. It is and always has been a tight line to toe, with the expressed word of the Constitution on one side and the legally defended spirit of the document on the other.
You have a right to free speech, right to freedom of religion, right to freedom of press, right to petition the government, etc. We take that very seriously. At the same time, we've recognized that there are times where the government can, again, put reasonable restrictions on that, considering other factors, and one of those factors is, right, time, place, and manner. Your free speech doesn't necessarily give you the right to disturb other people's peace. It's not in the Constitution, it's come through case law.
Now, as for the next step in this process, the City Commission will officially consider that language for adoption at its next meeting 1 week from tomorrow. That's Tuesday, January 13th. If approved by a majority that day, it will take effect 30 days after that, unless a separate motion for immediate effect is introduced and passes by a 2/3 majority. Sue.